Welcome back to Textile TV. In today's video, we learn about the basics of textiles. We'll cover what the word textile actually means, go over its definition, look at the different types, and explore some common uses. By the end, you'll have a solid understanding of textiles. What is a textile? Textiles are materials made of fibers. These fibers are either spun into threads or directly turned into fabric. The word textile itself comes from the Latin word textilis, meaning woven fabric. Fibers can come from many sources, like plants, animals, or even chemicals. Some natural fibers you might know are cotton, wool, and silk. Then there are synthetic fibers, like polyester and nylon, which are made in factories. Types of textiles. Textile can categorize them into three main groups: natural, synthetic, and blended. Natural textiles, cotton, linen, silk, and wool fall under this category. These fibers are harvested from plants or animals. Cotton, for example, comes from the cotton plant, while silk comes from silkworms. Synthetic textiles, synthetic fibers, like polyester and nylon, are man-made using chemicals. These fabrics are generally cheaper and more durable than natural ones, which is why they're popular in everyday clothing. Blended textiles. Then we have blended fabrics, like polyester cotton blends. Blends combine the best qualities of different fibers, so you get the softness of cotton and the durability of polyester, all in one fabric. Uses of textiles. Textiles are everywhere. Apart from clothing, they're in home decor, such as curtains, carpets, and bed sheets. Even things like car seats and backpacks are made with textiles. And they're not just for comfort or aesthetics. Textiles can also be functional. For example, waterproof textiles for rain jackets, or fire-resistant textiles used by firefighters.